Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a peaches and cream pie. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Be sure to subscribe for new videos every Monday, Thursday, and Saturday. Or this week, new pie recipes every day. So let's get started. First you need a pie crust. I'll put a link to the recipe I'm using in the description box. And it also needs to be par-baked or blind bake. And I showed how to do that in my pie crust troubleshooting video, and I'll put a link to that video in the description box too. Preheat the oven to 450 degrees. For the peaches, you can use fresh or frozen. If you're using frozen, they need to be completely thawed, and you then need to drain out the excess liquid. If you're using fresh peaches and would like them peeled, you can check out my peach cobbler video, and I showed how to peel them in that video. Set aside the peaches and let them sit for 15 minutes to let the excess liquids drain out. To make the cream filling, in a medium bowl, add in the eggs and beat them with a whisk. Then add in the sugar and cornstarch and whisk them really well together to get rid of all the lumps. Then add in the heavy cream, salt, and vanilla extract, and whisk them until they're combined. Add the drained peaches into the pan on top of the pie crust. Then slowly pour the cream filling on top of them, adding just enough so the cream comes almost to the rim. You may not need all of it. Then you can decorate the top of the pie with whatever crust design you like. I'm choosing to use a twisted lattice top. To do that, roll out some pie crust to 1/8 of an inch thick or thinner, and cut it into 1/2 to 1 inch wide strips. Take one strip and twist it a few times, and lay it on top of the pie. And add a few more, leaving space in between each strip. Lift up every other strip. Twist another strip, and lay it across going the other way. And pull the strips back down. Lift up the strips that weren't pulled before. Place another twisted strip on top. And keep going the rest of the way down. And trim off the excess from the edges. Brush the edge of each strip with an egg wash so it sticks to the crust. And brush the top of each strip with the egg wash to give it a nice golden brown color when it bakes. Place the pie onto a sheet pan and bake it in the oven for 10 minutes. Then turn the oven temperature down to 375 degrees and bake it for another 30 minutes or so until the top crust is golden brown and the filling is set but still slightly jiggly. When it's done, remove it from the oven and let it cool for 20 to 30 minutes until it's no longer hot but still slightly warm. And you can serve it still warm or at room temperature. And that's how to make a peaches and cream pie. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give this video a like and check out my channel for many more videos and subscribe to my channel for more to come. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.